But some opposition voices have been difficult to ignore. A year ago, supporters of Jawar Mohammed, a controversial politician and media owner, gathered outside his home in Ethiopia's capital, Addis Ababa. He had just posted a claim on Facebook that his life was under threat from the new national government, a claim the authorities later rejected. An influential figure from the country's Oromo people, the largest single group in Ethiopia's kaleidoscopic ethnic mix, Jawar rejects Prime Minister Abiy's national unity agenda and seeks self-rule for his people. Jawar is the figurehead of an Oromo political movement known as the Qeerroo. In April 2018, the movement was at the forefront of protests that forced the resignation of Ethiopia's then Prime Minister and loosened the grip on power held by a rival ethnic group, the Tigrayans, which had long dominated the country's governing coalition. The new Prime Minister, Abiy Ahmed, is also an Oromo. Jawar and Abiy were once happy to be seen together, but their relationship subsequently turned sour as ethnic violence has flared. Many, including the Ethiopian government, say Jawar is to blame.
My opponents have always accused me. The previous government, remember, charged me with treason and terrorism. I never exploded any bomb. In fact, I was vocally against violent means of struggle. I was against armed struggle. Still, I was accused. I was facing the death sentence if I was convicted. I fought for the Oromo people. I never made that a secret. But I am not the one who started fighting for Oromo people. This movement has been 50 years ongoing.
But in another part of this interview, Jawar talked more revealingly about the power of the Qeerroo.
The political forces in this country are really scared of the revolutionary force of the Qeerroos. The ruling party has begun crackdown. It has started resorting to the old days of suppressing opposition, suppressing the population.